Hey, I'm Evan. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cold brew with a Pipamoka. There are several different styles of coffee you can make with the Pipamoka. Cold brew is one of our favorites, and it's ready to drink in 1 to 2 hours. You can also brew it longer depending on your preference. To prepare a cold brew coffee, the first step is to remove the lid and take out the funnel, brush, and the scoop. Then take out the filter basket. Next, remove the water chamber from the mug and remove the lid of the filter basket. Position the funnel on top of the filter basket and add 2 scoops of fine grind and measure around 16 grams. Place the lid back onto the filter basket. Make sure the orange control ring is at its lowest position. Now, drop the filter basket into the water chamber, which has been pulled out of the mug. Let the water chamber sit on top of the to-go mug. Add ice cubes and cold water into the water chamber. Wait 1 to 2 hours for the coffee to brew completely. The last step is to remove the water chamber, screw the lid onto the mug, and enjoy cold brew coffee for hours.